wasn't as big of a find as we thought we would find today. Yeah. Moni, she is trying to sneak off. I accidentally let the chickens out too early. She's gonna try to sneak off, go lay an egg. She thinks she's a wild turkey right now. I'm sure I shouldn't be out here.
We got an air line we broke here. And it's a special part. Oh, I figured it's gonna be like that. We have caught a robber in our garage, and we're gonna sneak in on him. Are you ready? You're a thief. One up, one the other. You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Wheel drive.
You caught one. Going the babies. Okay, we're gonna put it down. Okay, we have to give it kisses. Go over there and try to loose with it.
We're moving today. Going to a new job. We're moving the tree cutter right now. We got a big one right here. Oh,
It seems like a big fish.
it is a big fish.
You reckon it's a crappie? Oh, it's either a big crappie or it's a
It
big
ain't a
red ear.
crappie. It's moving too fast. It's a big old red.
Big red ear. Look at that. Holy moly. Hang on. Let me get my pole back. Let me get the net. We're just going to bring it up.
There we go. We got Lane here running the boom right now. Look up some light right there. Okay, we're doing a little work here on our tree cutter. We got a 643K tree cutter. It's got the FD22B head on it. We're predominantly in hardwood most of the time. Got a little bit of pine here and there. A lot of pulpwood here on this job, but there ain't nothing in there to punch. Bro.
Bringing the some lumber out to our neighbors for them. Some cedar that Chris sawed. And now it looks like
Yeah, we got That
The
magnet-
tractor is maybe.
That magnet right there is bad on it. I'll take that out.
So, equipment number 5 is down.
It feels like a dream. I haven't had a dream that good ever. Well, yep, here we go. We're gonna cut this big daddy here. Let's see what it's gonna look like, what the grain's gonna look like. Well, it's gonna be beautiful.
Oh boy, that's gonna be pretty. She snapped at you.
You want to try to grab
Bernie.
all the eggs?
Come on, you gotta get out of here.
We just cut this one here. It's 40, I think it's about 45 inches, roughly right there, across that way. It was all solid.